Hello friends, welcome back to the new tutorial of the GCP, that is Google Cloud Platform. Today we are going to learn how to connect to the FTP. So basically we are going to try how to connect to the FTP, getting the full access of the folders into your machine. Okay, so those who haven't subscribed my channel yet, please do subscribe my channel, and if you like the video, please do like, share and comment on my video. So let's get started. In the previous videos, what we have done, okay, so here when we have a previous video, so here in the SSH, just give me a second. So here in the SSH, okay, we have a view cloud command, right? You need to just copy this command. Okay, after copying this command, it will generate automatically the RSA key and everything into your local machine, right? I have already do the steps already in the connecting while SSH, so you have to look at that video. After doing this, what we have to do to connect this one, okay, so you have to go with this IP, so make sure this IP should be there. So go to the FTP. Okay, here you need to put the that IP, username and the password, what exactly it is. So when you have done this one, when you have run this command, this one SSH in the you have to watch the how to connect to the SSH, that part in the SSH. Okay, after this one you have to put this IP address, external IP address. If you have given the static IP address, that is elastic IP, that's also okay. You must sure external IP should be there. Okay, so you need to put the external IP over here. What's the username? For the username, go to the terminal and you have to write the command who I am. Okay, by default, whenever you try to run this command with the SSH, this one, if you run this command, right, it automatically create the username and the password whatever you have the machine. Okay, so you need to put that one. Okay, so once you have run this command, just go and write who I am. Okay, make sure that is the username, and whatever the machine password you have, then you have to set this machine password over here. And if you have set the password into that one, make sure that password would be added. It should be the machine password, it should be added over here. Okay, port you can left, then quick connect. Here you can see I have already connected. If I go to the var www and html, okay, I'm in the directory. Here you can see that the index.html is there, right? So this is how you can connect to the FileZilla on GCP with the help of the username, password and the host. Any doubt, any query in that, do let me know in the comment section. When you try to run this command also, there is another file, that is ppk, it generate. If you are in the Windows system, then you can also use that ppk file to connect to that FTP. Okay. Otherwise, username and the password by default it generate whatever the machine you have. Okay. You make sure you have to add that one. Any doubt, any query in that? Do let me know in the comment section. Thank you so much for watching this video. Have a great day.